Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to turn on job alerts on LinkedIn. To do this it's very simple. You have just to go to LinkedIn, open it, and after that go to jobs on the bottom right of the screen. You can look for the search for the job that you want. Let me clear this. So for example, I will choose product marketing in media or whatever things that you want. And as you can see in the bottom of the screen, there is that get job alerts for this search. You have just to click on it. And as you can see, it turned on. And now, like when people will post job offers about the thing that you searched of, you will receive an alert for that. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this